What's up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day, honey. If you are not yet a subscriber, you know the role by now. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share your comments in the comment section down below. In today's video, in today's topic, we are talking about the trending Nthabiseng Ramakolo. Now, following the Matthew Lani saga, I don't know, I think universities went back to check on what's going on, to check on their records. And Nthabiseng Ramakolo, the beautiful, gorgeous Han, is said to be a fake pharmacist. Now, Ogel is saying that she is a pharmacist from the University of Limpopo. And the university conducted some checks, and Mugel was not in their system. They are claiming that she has never even been a student to begin with at the University of Limpopo. Then on her LinkedIn profile, she says that she has experience working as a pharmacy student from Mankweng Hospital. She has an experience working as a junior pharmacist at dischem pharmacies. She also says that she was at the University of Limpopo. Now, dischem was really shocked to discover this. They went on also to check. Now, they said in a statement, and I quote, "We can confirm that we do not have anyone by the name of Nthabiseng Ramakolo employed by the dischem group. We believe that the LinkedIn account information listed on the profile is inaccurate." Wow, Mugel has the nerve. The University of Limpopo also released a statement on 12 October 2023. The statement says that the University of Limpopo has noted with concern claims circulating on social media regarding an individual named Nthabiseng Ramakolo, who can be seen wearing scrubs and a coat bearing the university's name and logo. This has created the impression that she holds a pharmacy qualification from UL. After checking all records, the university would like to state that Nthabiseng Ramakolo is not a University of Limpopo pharmacy graduate and that she has never been a student at the university. Additionally, her claims on social media that she is a master's student at UL are false. The executive dean of the Faculty of Health Sciences at UL, Professor Nthabiseng Ramakolo, said, and I quote, "The scrubs of the university do not contain any information. The records do not contain any information on Nthabiseng Ramakolo and our faculty members, as well as current and former students. Leave confirmed that they have never met her before." Now, the use of UL name and logo by anyone misinterpret her. I can't see clearly, but the academic qualifications unlawfully I'm sorry, guys. So the University of Limpopo reserves the right to take whatever action necessary to protect its reputation and credibility of its qualification. Now, guys, please excuse the reading. I can't see clearly here, but you guys get the picture, right? Mugel lied. Whereas she has never even been a student at the University of Limpopo. Guys, why are we doing this to ourselves? At this point, I'm just thinking of taking my phone and calling the University of Johannesburg to check me in their system. Am I still in the system? That's all for today, guys. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video.